Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today is class number third, okay, on the topic of numbers. So have a look here. I'm going to try this question. And the question is television cost is 270.25, including tax, 50% tax. How much cost price? If you recall, I given an explanation before. Whenever cost price is coming, cost price, old value, previous value, okay. Whenever these things come, original value, sometime he asks original word, original value. So whenever we ask you these things, we'll take as 100%. I mean full amount, okay, full amount. So have a look here. Television costing this much more money, including tax, and it means in this $270, he has his cost and plus tax. Very clear. But so what I said before, students, tax is given 15%. So this is confirmed, and cost I said 100%. So it means cost is 100 and tax is 15. Repeat my words. Cost 100, tax 15, and total it become 115. So simple story. I will. It means whenever we are looking for original value, so what we'll do it. So write it here, dollar sign and percentage. Okay. So whenever looking for a cost price, cost is called 100. So I'm writing 100%, and here let's say is called C for cost, and 115 percentage is equals to 270.25. I think you got a point very clear. Most important point is this one, that cost price, original price, old value, original value will check as 100%. So if you say that I got I in this part including tax, so it means 100 plus 15. Okay, I hope so. The point is very, because including tax, so it means the cost plus tax. So cost is always 100 and tax is 15, become 100. So this is equal to 115. So I think the point is very clear, and the question is also clear, and just a matter of typing in calculator and cross multiply. So 270.25 times 200 and divided by 115, and it will give us original value or cost price is becoming $235. So I believe the point is very clear. So whenever you see student, look at it, original number, original price, original cost, original, okay. So with original, whenever he asks, or even cost even, so we keep them equals to each other. So I hope so this point is very clear. And now have a look on the next page. So this point is clear. Now today I'm
Sir,
discussing.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
There in the previous question, they asked how much of this is the tax.
Tax. Okay. So wait a minute. How much cost tax? Oh yeah. Okay. 1 minute, please. This is actually original price. Thank you very much. So it means I should not find a cost then. I should find out the, if I ask for cost price, then I have to put 100 here. But he is asking here a tax price, then I should put here 15 only. Thank you very much for confirmation. If he asks us cost price, but now he's not asking cost price. He's asking for the tax price. And you learn two things now. If he asks cost price, then I will keep 100 here. And if he asks tax price, T for tax, then I will write 15 here. But most important thing is what you learn from here, that how and why I wrote 270.25 equal 115. So because in this amount, two parts included, his tax and amount. So thank you very much. So we got the answers correct. Now I check again. So 270.25 times 215 and divide by 115. So tax is coming now. $35, 35.25. So I hope so. The point is very clear. And let's talk about the next question. All right.
So in tax, we add the percentage.
No. Tax, he asking better tax. Okay, I got your point. I got your point. Tax we add. Sometimes you get for example, the price contains, this is the price, for example, his cost, you have to pay tax. When you, or sometime when you go to market, you buy something, so 100% is a price of that item, and plus sometimes you pay tax, so we add tax here. Or sometimes he say a discount. So in discount situation, we always subtract discount, and then we have to pay the net amount. So it depends upon the situation. Inshallah, in today or next lecture, we will discuss in detail how we can find these things, inshallah, in detail. So correct. Let's talk about this one. And I have two techniques for percentage profit and percentage loss. Two techniques. One, this formula, and one cross multiply formula. Okay. So let's see how we can find it. I will use cross multiply method, but sometime if I need, I will use this formula as well. So I will explain you both. Okay. For your easiness. Okay. Percentage profit formula is what? Profit, keep it up by original price into 100. And what about loss? Loss, keep it up by original by into 100. Make sure original price will be always in denominator. What is original price? In some sense, it is called cost also. Cost. Okay. I said before, original price, cost price, previous price. Yeah, even the previous price, if we have to plug in, we write previous price, cost, original in denominator. So let's start some question. For example, let's discuss one question. A car dealer buys a car for $500, then he sale by 640. Common sense, if you look at carefully, this is a profit. He's earning profit. So profit, how much he is earning? Very clear. He bought by 500. He's selling by 650. So profit is 640 minus 500. So we can say 150. If for $140, he got a profit. Okay. Now what is technique now? We can technique now. We can use it. That what profit percentage we get it. So we can do what here? We will write two here dollar sign and percentage. Okay. I will tell you two techniques. So as I said before, because cost is here this much. So cost is always is deal as 100%. So dollar is 100%, $500. And I want to find it how much he got a profit. So 140 and a percentage, P for profit and cross multiply. So 5 times to 500, P times to 500 is equals to 100 times to 140. And I get it from here. And I will show you the other way even. So 100 times to 140 and divided by 500. And my answer is profit is coming very clear. Profit percentage or is equals to 28%. I got. This is the way number one. Way number two, what I said before, profit percentage formula is what? Profit, keep it up. Cost price down times 200. What a profit you earn from here? 140, keep it up. The 140, keep it up. 140, keep it up. And what is the cost price? Is a 500. So keep it 500 down and into 100. That's it. You can see that I am multiplying 100 with a 140, 100 with 140, and divide this 500 divides and 500 divides. So answer will come same answer, 28% profit. And make sure the important thing is what? What is the important thing here? Cost price always will deal as a 100%. I think this point is very clear, and we have done in two ways. This top is one way, below is a second way. So I write it all here. I hope so. The point is very, very clear. And now I'm to get ready for. Yes, student, now you can try these two questions I'm giving you to practice. In case of problem, I will help you. Number 4 and number 5. First, you will try, then I will do this both questions myself. You can compare your working and your answer. You can choose any way you like. Take your time. Yes, student, I hope so. You took a reasonable time. I'm starting now. Get ready. First question is saying during the first 4 years of first 4 weeks of her life, a baby girl increases the mass from this to this. So like what is a change? Increase. How to come increase? So question number 4, how to find increase? Increase is very clear. The old value is this and new is this. So 4.7 minus 3.2. So it becoming 5 and 1.5 kilogram. So it means increase of the mass of one baby girl is 1.5 in next 4 weeks. Idea is very clear. What is the percentage increase represents? So how to find it percent increase? I discussed before just now that write two titles, percentage and kilograms. Okay, I said before, original value. Where is original, student? Original is 3.2. I repeat my words, original. Original is here is 3.2 and we will take as 100%. Because I said before, so I'm writing 300% is equal to 3.2 kilograms. And how much equal to percentage of this kilogram? So 1.5 kilogram is how much I stand for increase. Let's find cross multiply. So increase of the mass, increase percentage if you want to find it. So this multiply with that and divide by 3.2. And I believe the point is very clear. And now I'm just calculating. So you can see this. So 1.5 times 200 and divided by 3.2. So we get a 40 percentage. How much percentage increase? 46.875 percentage increase. So I believe the point is very, very clear. And I hope so the concept is clear. Let's go for part number 2. Yes, I'm going to do next one, but before it's very clear, we have to write 3 SF. Why? Because he mentioned there. So I have to write 3 SF percentage. So I don't want. So 46.9 percentage is my answer. So I believe the point is clear. And now I'm going for the next question. And next question is number 5. Have a look. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Question number 5. What are question number 5? When a text is added to a cost of lipstick, its price increases from 16.50 to this much. It means this I will deal as a original value. Original value will deal as 100%. So write two titles. Title number 1 dollars. Title number 2 is percentage. So original is that. The original is given, so I'm writing 100 here, and original is $16.50. I think very clear. He's asking how much in charge, and charges stand for increase. And how to find increase is so simple. I will find the difference of both values. So how much change or increase? Increase is 18.48 minus 16.50. So it means 18.48 and minus 16.5 is 1.98 is increase. 1.9 is dollars. So $1.98 increase, and I'm writing here I stand for increase, or make a C for charges. Okay, no problem at all. But this is the okay right way. So C equal to what? 1.98 times 200, and this 16.5 will divide. And I think so you got the point very clear. So charged. So how much charge is here? So if I check it, I'm typing myself 1.98 into 100 and divided by 16.5. So it means $12 is charged. Let me recheck. No, is percentage, sorry, don't dollar, percentage. Because he asking percentage charged. So how much percentage? So 12% charged. And I believe the concept is very, very clear. Now, I think we have to try one. Make sure one thing. Whenever he asks him cost price, I will write 100 in front of it, because I said before, cost price or original price is always is equal to 100%. So give one help me, please. Question number 9, and number 10. You have to try after this. So take your time, then I will do my. So have a look here. I hope so you're done. And now I'm doing this question. A pair of jeans is sold $15. And there's a profit of 25%. Make sure one thing, a very important thing. And what is that? Whenever you have a sale price. So sale price consists of two things. When any for example, a shop they buy something that is called cost price. So cost price plus profit, because they have to earn some money also. So this is like cost price. I said before, always take 100%. And let's say profit is there. According to this question, profit is 25%. So 100 is their cost price, and 25 is the profit. So it means 100 plus 25. So become 125 percentage. So this is why I am going to write what here, dollar sign and percentage. I'm going to write this. This is called sold. Okay, sold means selling price. I repeat my word. This is selling price, SP. So whenever selling price is this much and percent profit 25, so I can say easily $15 is equal to 125, because some student not understanding why I wrote in front of 15 125. So I again try to justify the concept that because 25% profit is there, because 25% profit is there. So what is technique here? Because 25% profit, so profit plus cost is 125, and that equal to $15. And I'm looking for what cost price. And as you know, cost price always 100. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, C for cost and 100 and cross multiply. So in this way, if I check it, the answer is coming what? C is equals to what? 100 times to 15 and divide by 125. So 100 times to 15 and divide by 125. And answer is coming. So cost price is for the person is what? $12. So I hope so the concept is clear, and let's go for part number. So question number 10 now. What is question? A book is sold 5.40. Sold, selling price. So I said before that whenever this kind of question comes, so selling price is actually consists of two things: a cost price and the profit. Okay, so cost price is always taken as 100%, and profit percentage given by him is 8%. So it becomes 108% total. And now I can say that because he said that book is sold by 5.40. So two titles, dollar and percentage, and $5.40 is equal to 108%. And I'm looking for what cost price. So cost is, you know, it always 100%. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I can do it easily. Simple cross multiply. So 5.40, 5.4 times to 100 and divided by 108. And my answer is coming here. So cost price is $5. So I believe the point is very, very clear. And now I think we should try some more questions. Okay, because mashallah, I'm happy that you are understanding. But now we talk about loss. Before you start, I give this question to you. Start the way I find profit percentage, we add in 100. So in this we subtract, that's it. So percentage 20. So I will not write 800 plus 20. I say 100 minus 20. So sale price is same, but I will write here 100 minus 20 because he getting loss. He getting loss. I hope so. The point is very clear. And rest is same. So please try 11 number. Sorry, wait a minute, please. 11 number and 12 number. Two question try only. Then inshallah I will do both questions. Yes, student, question number 11. A can of worms, okay, is sold in 48 cents. Okay. All right. So selling price. Sale price what? So sale price is very clear. Cent 48. Then what? Occurring a loss of 20%. And I said before, so 20 loss. So what is the sale price? Normally we take 100%. Sale price contains two parts, and this is this option. Cost price, CP, cost price, and minus loss, because we are getting loss this time. So the cost price always taken the 100%. A loss is 20%. So it means 80% will take as a cost price, sale price. So now write two titles, dollar sign, sorry, not dollar sign, cents and percentage. And he asking us the cost price, and cost price, you know, always call as a original means 100. So C is a dollar cost and 100. And this is 80% equal to 48 cents. So I believe this is a really nothing hard at all, cross multiply. And I'm finding directly C 48 into 100 and divided by 80. So it is giving me directly cost for $1.60. So not dollar, cent 60. So cent is the cost is cent 60. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I believe the point is very, very clear. And now I'm going to do next question. So when we talk about next question is okay, I think clear idea. And now question number 12. So question number 12, at least you understanding now how to find cost percentage and profit, loss and profit. Okay, come on this question. He said a car was sold at this much. The selling price given, SP, sale price, $1,430. Okay, done. He said make a loss of 25%. Again, I said before, sale price comes in two parts: cost price, and a loss, not plus, minus loss. So cost price deal is 100% and loss, how much percentage is a 35% loss. So I hope so clear. So 65% is a loss. So percentage. So I hope so now you got a point, and dollar sign and percentage. So 1430 is a selling price equal to this much. So sale price 1430 after having a loss, it becomes 65%. And we need a cost price. So when you need a cost price, students, I will write here C for cost and 100. And very easy approach now. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, 1430 and two more zeros of 100 divided by 65. So answer is coming, dollar is a 2200. It means this was a seller cost price for the on a man, but unfortunately he has to sell 1430. Yes, student, now we will start now a simple interest for concept, simple interest. And simple interest for concept is what we have. Formula is I equal to PRT into 100. First of one by one, what does the P stand for? P stand for, sometimes we use the word principal, okay? Or sometimes we use the word investment, how much money you invest, okay? And what is the P? That's clear now. What does R stand for? Rate of interest. I repeat my words, rate of interest. Okay. For example, sometimes company give you 2%, 3%, 4% per year. It depends upon, or per month, whatever. So what does the T stand for? Time. So T stand for time. So time is mostly we take in years, mostly, but it can be other also, years or months. Okay. And then we talk about I. What does I stand for? Profit. I stand for interest or profit? Interest or profit. Okay. One formula is not mentioned here. I'm writing here, and that is A is equal to P plus I. What is A is equal to P plus I? Actually, for what is A is called total amount, net amount. Net amount. And what does P stand for? Investment. Investment. And what does I stand for? Profit. So it means we get a profit at the end of year or end of 2 years, 3 years. So your profit, your money all together. I give a small example. You went to bank, you given then, for example, $1,000, just sake of understanding. You given them $1,000, okay? And you invested for 3 years, okay? So time was for 3 years. Let's say 3 years. And rate of interest is 10%. So R is 10%. Okay. If I ask you, give me the profit, profit, and A is called net amount after 3 years, how much will come in your pocket? How much you get in your pocket? So let's start. So first of all, I is equals to PRT by 100, PRT divided by 100. P is 1000. Rate of interest is 10%. Time is 3 years. Okay, I'm applying. P is $1,000. Rate of interest is 10. I'm writing 10. And time is 3 years. And divide by 100. And this zero cancel, this zero cancel. He got a $300 profit. So this is called a profit. So it means you got a profit. I stand for interest or profit, no problem at all. But if you ask someone, no, give me the amount, A. So I'm writing it below here. So net amount formula is P plus I. P is your money and I is bank will give you. So your money is $1,000. Your money is $1,000. And money you get, your profit is 300. So 1,300 total amount at the end of 3 years. I hope so. The point is very, very clear. And now let's start some practice. Yes, student, I think we should start some practice. And what the practice is? Wait a minute. I give you some questions, not many. Let me read. Calculate the length of time. Length of time is question mark. So T is question mark. 400. I think you can try. You can try this 1D part. And even you can try question number 25, this one, 2 question number, and last try you will do, wait a minute, let me check. Wait a minute. She earned this much money. This last question is a very good, okay. But I think so, you try this last question. In case of difficulty, I will help you. But make sure the formula is A is equal to P plus I will help you a lot. Okay. And make sure this is A is called net amount after. So first you try. In case of problem, I will help you. So take your time, all 3 questions try. Yes, student, I hope so you have tried this D part and question number 2 and question number 3. Let's start D part. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The length, find the length of the time is a target. So T is a question mark. He said 400 for 400 to earn 160. You know, this is a very important thing. So for 400 to earn 160, 400 he is investing and he's earning 160. So it means investment is P. P is called investment 400 and earning a profit of $160. So I is 160 and R is what 8% given by him. And I believe this point is very clear now. We can do it. I is equals to P RT over 100. And please write formula again and again, because in writing again, and you can learn this formula. 160 equal to, yes, please.
Sir, how do you know which one is P, which one is I? I'm so confused.
Very good question. Very good question. Let me tell you one thing. Read a statement again. I give you 2 examples. That for 5,000 earning 1,000. So common sense, it is not possible. Like earn, the earn is called profit. The earning is called profit. Like you invest the money 5,000 and you want to earn $1,000. So this is called earning. Earn, okay. So this is called I and this is called P. I believe you got a point very clear. Same way below, he won 400 investing to earn 160. So here it is called P and this is called P and this is called I. And not only this one, I'll give you more idea. Wait a minute. This is a P, this is I. And the below question, he says that investing this much invest, this much invest. This is other question. Part number 3, question number 3 is almost same story. That he invest how much money, this much money. So this is called P. And he earned this one is called profit. So this is called I. Even he mentioned earn this much in interest. So I hope so got a point. Earning number, earning value is dealing as a profit I. So let's complete a question. Just simply make a T subject. Before I cancel, I this 00 of 100 and 004 cancel each other. 160, 8 4 is 32 T and 32 will go down under this. So 160 divided by 32 and I got 5 years. 5 years. How not 5 years? Because he said per annum. Annum is called year wise. So I believe this question is nothing hard. We have done 1D. Now I'm going to do question number 2. Then I'll go for third number. Question number 2, what a story we have. Investment is 6750 for Khalid. I'm writing it here. So P equal to $6750 and 8.5 rate of interest. Okay, I'm writing. How much interest he will earn? So I is my question mark. Question mark. When he total money, and what is the total money? That is a separate question. So we have to find all these things. Repeat my words. And in 4 years. So it means time is 4 years. So I have to find 2 things. One, first of all, how much he earned profit and total amount at the end of 4 years. So I hope so the point is very clear. I is equal to P RT by 100 and I P is given by him 6750 and R is given here 8.5 and time is 4 divided by 100 and it's matter of typing in calculator, which I'm doing it. So 6750 times to 8.5 times to 4 and divided by 100 and I get $2295 profit. Now he asked, no, I need amount also. Formula A is equal to P plus I. A is amount, P is investment, I is a profit. I believe you got idea. So P is investment is this one and profit is this much. So 6750 and earning 2295 and final amount, if I just add it 6750, so answer is coming plus 2295, so it's coming $9,045. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, up till here first two questions clear, D part and these. Now I'm going to for question number third. I'm going to do now. He said that this P invest is this much. So P is investment is 10800, and after 4 years, the time is 4. He earned as interest to I. This is called I 3240. And at what annual rate of interest? So R is what? So I think clear. So I is equal to PRT by 100. So I have two ways. Okay, I plug in values before or later, no problem. I think 100 I is what 3240. P is 10800. The rate of interest we don't know, and 4 year by 100. And for your knowledge, these 2 zeros of 100 and 2 zeros of that value cancel. And 3240 and this 4 is 108 and 4 will divide left side. I'm going to find the rate of interest 3240 divided by 108 and divided by 4. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. So rate of interest is coming 7.5% per year. So I believe this part is very clear. And now I'm going for compound interest. Yes, student, now I'm going for compound interest, and formula is mentioned on the top here. You can see here this formula, but I write again for you. A is equals to P1 plus R divided by 100 power T. I want to make clear to you what is the difference between simple and compound. Simple interest I is equal to PRT by 100, PRT by 100. And compound interest A equal to P times to 1 plus R by 100 to power T. What is the T? T is the same time in years. What is R? Rate of interest, profit interest. What is the P? Investment. Same story, same. But this formula will give you only profit. But this formula will give you what? Net amount. Net amount means what? Net amount means your profit plus your money. Okay. So in this A is equal to P plus R, you get by default automatically. But in this question, in this simple interest formula, you have to find manually. If he examiner asks you find net amount in compound interest, it will give you automatically direct answer without any working. But in the simple interest formula, we have to use A is equal to P plus I. And this answer, what I get from here, in this answer, I will add P again, then I get A. So make sure simple interest formula give you profit, never net amount. And the compound interest formula give you a net amount, never profit. This is a very important thing here. It means if I need a profit from here in compound interest, what I will do? So from the A answer, I have to subtract. What? His investment, then I get a profit. So this is called CI, compound interest. I believe you got a point very clear. So let's have some example. Otherwise, we'll not understand what is going on. Or 1 minute, let me see. I think you can try, and first you try, otherwise I'll inshallah help you. Leave 1 year or 2 years, or do one thing. Question number 1, take B part and C part. Okay. Before you start, I help you. Or leave this A part, but don't waste time in finding A part. Okay. What is it? He's saying a bank pays interest of 9%. So 9 is our rate. So I will copy here 9%. Then he's saying 2,000 is a put investment. So P is 2,000. And how much she will get after 2 years? So T is 2, and I think you can find easily. But how much she will? Wait a minute. He did not ask for the. Okay, I'm asking 2 questions from here. What find? First of all, question number 1. Or I change the question. Not even 2 years. So this is question you find. You have to find out the compound interest. Compound interest and amount. Amount, you know it very well, student. You will get directly without any trouble. But compound interest, you have to use this formula. So first you try, then I'll do this question myself. Yes, student, I hope so. You done it, and now I'm going to start this question. Let's start. First of all, question number one. I'm starting now. He said that 9% of interest. So R is 9. And deposit how much money? $2,000. P is 2,000. Okay, how much she has after 3 years? Because I given you only for 3 years. So time is equal to 3 years. And we have to find two things I given. One, I ask you for amount. And when I ask you compound interest, I ask you compound, I stand for interest. This two question I ask you to find it. And let's see how we can do it. Job number one, first I will plug in all these values in the top formula. But this will give us A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100. Please write formula again and again and even pronounce. Okay, P is the $2,000. Rate of interest is very clear, 9 over 100 and 3 years. I'm going to find this money, and you know it very well. It is easy. So simply plug in the calculator. I'm typing 2,000 times 1 plus 9 divided by 100, and the power of that is 3. And my answer is coming $259.90.058. I write 3SF later, whatever, but I tell you, currency always write 2 DP. Currency is write 2 decimal places. I write later, okay? All right. But this is called a net amount. Because I said before, this compound interest formula give you by directly net amount. Okay, now I talk about how much compound interest formula is mentioned here. You can see CI is equal to A plus A minus P. Actual formula is here. A is equal to P plus I. I write first formula, that one. A is equal to P plus I. But A we have it, okay. Investment we have it, 2,000. So what I'm looking for, I stand for interest. So I is equals to A minus P, and writing finally answer here. So interest is equal to final amount 2,590.058. Sorry, 1 minute please. I write again because space issue. So I is equals to amount 2,590.058 minus 2,000, and some compound interest, we get it 590.058, and we write 2 DP, so we 06, because make currency is always 2 DP. So this is a planning behind. So I hope so the point is clear, and let's go for some more. Okay, student, this is enough for today, and inshallah the next lecture I will move on compound interest, some more ideas. Some parts left only. Okay, sometimes he use the word exponentially increase, and this is this is for your knowledge. I write something here. Whenever he use the word compound concept, exponentially increase. Sometimes he use exponentially decrease. So decrease, increase. Okay, so in this scope, all same formulas, only difference is what? Exponentially increase formula I use here is here. So A equals to P times 1 plus R over 100 to power T. But decrease we use A equal to P 1 minus R over 100 to power T. So inshallah this I will discuss next class. What is the difference between both, and how we can get a property values, your mobile value, your car value increase or decrease, your property values increase or decrease, how to get these things. So inshallah next lecture and the last lecture we will discuss all these things, and plus some past papers practice. See you next time inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.